Okay, this is my second unit of the belt-in spindle sander by Bauer. I returned the first one because the deck wasn't flat, so here's the second one that I got. I gave it a test and I know the answer already, but I'll show you visually. I'm going to put a level on the deck, and I have a backlight, and you can clearly see light coming through the bottom of the level, and you can actually rock it. You can actually hear it rocking on the deck. I mean, that's not insignificant. And that's set all the way. And as a further check, you put a square on this, and you can see that that rocks as well. So it's impossible to get a flat edge or a nice 90-degree edge when you use this belt sander. This is my second unit. This is actually slightly better than the first one, but it's still pretty bad.